And welcome to part 9 of our Simple Python Turtle graphics game using classes. So this is actually pretty cool. It's only going to take two lines to change our original game. So where we're going after some green circles. Okay. And what we want to do is change it so that we have these little red hearts. Okay, so we're flying around collecting hearts. It's a lot more fun than collecting little green circles that have no meaning. So let's take a look at that. So basically what we need to do is first we need to find the image for the heart. So I found this heart 20 by 20, so 20x pixels by 20y pixels, because that's about the size of our those little circles that we saw earlier. Now, if you make them bigger, it'll work, but then you have to adjust the collision distance. Okay, so the size of the collision. So you can play around with that if you want. Notice also, again, it's a GIF. Again, I think that's a limitation, but your computer may be different. I'm not sure. So all I have to do two things. One is I have to register the shape. So when I'm setting up the screen, I use my window object and the register shape method. And this is the exact file name that we just saw. Okay, close that. But this is the exact file name. Again, has to be in the same folder, just like the background image, just like the MP3, the sound. This image has to be in it. Okay. And then, very, very simple. We've registered the shape, which means Python knows it's there. And then we have to say for the, where is it at? The goal. Here we used to have green circle. Okay, we just put the file name here as well. So we've registered the shape here. And then when we define our goal class, we say, okay, all of our goals are going to be using that image. This part is ignored now. Okay, so we can keep it, or we could comment it out or delete it. But basically this part is now ignored because we're using this GIF. Okay. If you can't find the file, you'll get an error. Things won't work. It's not pretty. One thing to remember with this is, one little key thing, is the hearts, whatever image you use, does not rotate. So if I had used a heart for the triangle instead, it would not rotate. Okay, only the kind of default shapes will automatically rotate here in Python, okay, in the turtle module. So if you want to have like a spaceship like this that rotates, I would suggest just sticking with a little triangle to make your games, work like that. Or you can write some code and you get multiple images. There's stuff like that. Or if you're ready, get something like Pygame that has a nice rotation function built in. Otherwise, you have to kind of figure all that stuff out on your own. Anyway, so that is it. Good luck. Let me know if you have any questions.